Kind of tastes like a fried apple pie. It's quick, it's easy. Serve it as a quick breakfast or a quick dessert.
Okay, I'm starting out with my apple pie quesadillas. Now I can use the small tortillas, or I can certainly use the big ones. But I need to start out heating up my pie filling. Now when you buy the pie filling, you know, it's in these big slices, which may be okay with you, but I like to kind of cut mine up. Now I'm not using the whole can because it's just me and my husband. I'm just making two. And I'm putting the rest of my leftover pie filling in a mason jar, canning jar. And I really like to use the wide mouth versus the regular. I'm just going to put this in my pan and heat it up. Okay, now while this is heating up, I'm going to make a glaze to go over my apple pie quesadilla. Now you could just simply sprinkle it with brown sugar and cinnamon, or you could top it with some honey. You can eat it plain, but I think I would like to have a glaze. So I'm just going to take some sifted powdered sugar and just kind of I'm adding some half and half. You can add heavy cream, you could add plain milk, canned milk. You know, there's just so much you can do. You just want to add a little at a time because it does not take much. I probably could have did this without heating up the pie filling, but I don't want to burn my tortillas trying to get the inside of the filling hot.
Video difficulties. My memory card was full and I lost the original video. But you need to heat up your skillet and melt about a tablespoon of butter in your skillet. Now the more butter you have, the more of that fried crispy effect you're going to have.
All I've got to do is put my pie filling on it. Sprinkle it with a little extra pie spice. Now this is pumpkin pie spice. It's about the same as apple pie spice, or you could have just used cinnamon. I'm just going to add my cheese to it. This is mozzarella. I could have used cheddar. If I wanted to go through the trouble to shred some cream cheese, I could have done that. Just put that on this. I just want this to act as the glue and just fold it together. Now those are pretty good by themselves. Let's glaze them up. Okay. You don't need a whole lot, just a little bit. Apple pie quesadillas, a great quick breakfast, quick dessert. They're yummy, and your family is just really going to love these. It's a lot like a fried pie. Now these do not heat well in the microwave. If you want to reheat them, then you're going to need to preheat your oven to about 400 degrees and let them heat up in about 5, 6, 7 minutes, something like that.
Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these quick, easy to please recipes.